The Affiliate Program. Mirror Trading International offers two types of affiliate rewards: 10% direct referral bonus or 20% weekly profit sharing bonus. This is the residual income opportunity. All bonuses come from daily trading income and are therefore financially sustainable. You will earn a 10% referral bonus for every member you personally introduce to Mirror Trading International, and also for any amounts they add over and above their original investment. Free members, or people who have not funded their accounts, do not qualify to earn 10% direct referral bonuses. 20% of daily income results are allocated to the weekly binary profit sharing pool. The binary structure works as follows. You can recruit new members into your left or right leg. To qualify for binary bonuses, you will also need a minimum amount of $200 in the trading pool, and you will need to have personally recruited one new member in your left and one in your right leg. The third person you personally introduce will become spillover for one of the people you introduced before, as you can only place in your left or right side. Spillover will also occur if your sponsor or team members above you introduce people into a leg. 20% of the income from the week's trading will be shared according to the Bitcoin value of your weaker leg. When you are binary qualified with $200 to $999 in your personal account, this will allow you to earn up to 10 levels in the binary. As your team grows, you can increase your amount in trade so that you can qualify to earn on more levels. With $1,000 to $4,999 in the pool, you'll receive bonuses up to 20 levels deep. Accounts with $5,000 to $9,999 will receive bonuses up to 30 levels deep. And with $10,000 and above, you'll receive bonuses on infinite levels of the binary structure in your weakest leg. Binary bonuses are paid every week on the Bitcoin value in your weaker leg, creating your weekly residual income. All referral and binary bonuses are subject to a 7-day waiting period. There is a maximum binary cap of $15,000 per day and $75,000 per week. Mirror Trading International is a real company, and if there are no trading profits, there can be no income or bonuses. Mirror Trading International is the opportunity we have all been looking for. Join us today, build your business, and begin the journey to financial freedom. For more information, please contact the person who sent you this video.